Hi, everyone. I saw these, I had to have them, okay? Yeah. Let's see, that would be thumb. That would be finger. And that would wrap around your hand. Pretty cool, huh? And you're working in tight spots, you need to see some stuff, that can really help you out. So, it's a simple thing. It comes two in a pack. Okay, well that's nice. Comes with some extra batteries. I didn't realize that. That's handy. And a little carrying case for the gloves. I like that. Here's a little customer service card, which I always like seeing that. I'm not sure how well it actually works all the time, but it's nice they're putting out an effort. And a little instruction manual telling you how to go about everything, changing batteries and stuff like that. But anyway, it's a simple little thing, but that's going to be really handy when I'm working on something that a lot of times I use my drill. It's got a little LED on it. But my hand's in the way, the battery's in the way, the bit's in the way. It's going to help. So get you some. You're going to like them. They're not expensive, but you're going to like them. Bye now.